So, hi Amit, very good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning. So in the yesterday's class, we have discussed something about different types of data analytics. I think we have ended here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So today we'll describe, we'll try to discuss in detail regarding each and every analytics.
Uh-huh.
So first we'll discuss about descriptive analytics. This typically, hope everything is right? Everything is okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to take the voice? Is it okay? Amit?
Yes, sir. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, so as discussed, descriptive analytics is a kind of analytics which will answer for the question called what happened. Okay.
Yes.
Basically, what happened is,
The past.
earthquake has happened. Okay. So basically, earthquake has happened. So basically, in 2024, the magnitude of earthquake is 7. In 2023, the magnitude of earthquake is 6. And in 2022, the magnitude is 5.
Yes.
So descriptive analytics will compare the current data. This is your current data with the past data. This is the past data.
Yes, sir.
Or sometimes I call it as current trends with the past trends. Okay. So basically, our current metrics with the past metrics. It will compare the current metrics with the past metrics and describe particular event or visualize the data. Okay. So
Yes.
basically, what it will do, it will tell that there is an increase in the earthquake magnitude, okay, compared to previous years. That's it. Okay. And it will visualize the data like this. Basically, okay, this is your earthquake magnitude in 2022. This is your earthquake magnitude in, 2024. This is in 2023. This is in 2022. So,
Yes, sir.
earthquake magnitude is very high. But descriptive analytics will never bother why the earthquake is increasing every year.
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't bother about the increasing earthquake. It doesn't try to analyze the reason behind increasing in the earthquake or increasing in the trends. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is nothing but your descriptive analytics. This is nothing
Yes.
but descriptive analytics. So basically, let us derive the definition of your descriptive analytics. It is a process of analyzing current and historical data in order to describe the trends. Okay, what is the trend? The earthquake
Increasing.
magnitude is the trend. The
Yeah.
increase in gold rate is a trend. The increase in stock market is a trend. The
Yeah.
fluctuation of the stock market is a trend. So it is a process of analyzing the current and historical data in order to describe the trends. Okay.
Uh-huh.
It is also called as simplest form of data analytics because it is the first data analytics that will be performed,
Yes, sir.
in the organization. That is the reason why it is also called as simplest form of data analytics. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now basically, and it doesn't go deeper. Basically, it doesn't understand why the earthquake magnitude is increasing every year. It doesn't try to find the solution. Okay, that is the reason why it doesn't go deeper. It doesn't dig deeper. Fine.
Right.
Simple words. Okay, in simple words. Okay, I can say that comparing the current data or metrics with the historical data metrics and making the decisions. It's nothing but your descriptive analytics.
Right.
So start comparing the current data or metrics with the historical data or the metrics and start taking the decisions. Then I can say it is nothing but your descriptive analytics. Okay.
Right.
So basically, how can we perform as a data scientist? How can we perform these descriptive analytics? We can use your statistical tool called Microsoft Excel or visualization tools like Google Charts, Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, all these things.
Uh-huh.
Okay, of tools I can easily perform the descriptive analytics. Right? So examples of descriptive analytics. For example, assume that your company is having one website. For example, take Shoba. Okay, Shoba
Uh-huh.
is a website where they started marketing their website in different social media like Facebook, Instagram, and what do you call Google and all these things. Okay, so basically they want to. So whenever they market their website, Shoba.com,
Uh-huh.
it is a Soba, SOBH.
SOBH.
So Soba.com. So whenever they market their website, what happens? Uh, you know, basically use some platforms like Facebook. they'll use like Insta, then LinkedIn, okay, then Google and YouTube, right? So they collect huge amount of data, both past data and current data. They'll be handling in the CRM, Shobha.com CRM. Okay, so basically what happens? What happens here? So when they collect the data, where they have both historical and what do you call current data, as a data analyst, I'll be comparing the both data. Then I will draw with the help of some tools, okay, or like your Excel or
I'm not able to hear you.
hello. Now are you able to hear me? Hi, Mr. Amit. Are you able to hear me now? Hi, Amit. Amit, can you unmute yourself? You muted yourself. Can you unmute? Hi, Amit. Hope you are able to.
Yes, there was no voice, so I thought maybe some network issues there.
See, I'm using high-speed internet here. My
Okay,
speed
okay.
is 100 Mbps actually. Let me show my.
Uh-huh.
Actually, you should have very good internet.
Yes, sir.
If you are sitting if you are sitting in web server's office, don't use their internet. Use your what do you call it? Hotspot. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll buy dongle, I'm thinking.
That's better. Okay. So speed should be very good actually.
Yeah.
If speed is very good now, no problem. Everything will be fine.
Uh-huh.
So speed test. You can
What
perform.
is it on Google we check? Acha.
Yeah, just go to Google. Just type speed check. Just run speed test. So this should be like this speed.
Okay.
Okay, at least 20 or 30 Mbps. Mine is around 100 Mbps. Okay, right, yeah. So, so basically, what we are discussing now, basically,
Speed test.
not to the example of descriptive analytics, I have taken as a Shobha.com where they are using their own CRM. Okay, hope you are able to hear my voice, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So they are using different channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, and all. So with the help of this, I am able to collect the data of the information. Like I'll be able to collect the data of the customers. I have both customer what you call past data and the current data. So now what I'm doing basically, I'm trying to compare the both data, and with the help of some tools, I'll be drawing like these visualizations. I'll be getting like this visualizations.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So,
Okay.
basically, like you can see you can easily describe in the month of October. Okay, your Facebook is standing in the first position. The performance of
Yes.
Facebook is very high. Then the performance of second rank goes to Twitter. Third rank goes to YouTube. And
Hmm.
always in the month of November and December, always that YouTube is taking the third rank. Okay. So like this, I can describe the data or I
Hmm.
can describe the business information by comparing the present data and the past data.
Hmm.
But I can just tell that by conducting descriptive analytics, I can just tell that there is a every month the YouTube is not performing well. That's it. But
Yes, yes.
I cannot understand, I cannot diagnose, or I cannot go in deep to analyze what is the cause of the low performance
You
of the YouTube.
YouTube.
Okay, who
Yeah.
will do that diagnostic? Who will do that
Yeah.
diagnostic analytics? So this is nothing but your descriptive analytics. Now we'll get into something called as diagnostic analytics. Okay, so diagnostic analytics is a type of analytics which will try to find what is the cause for the increasing or decrease in the trends? Trends is nothing but your increasing
Yes.
stocks, okay, or it's nothing but what you call fluctuations in the market. This is nothing but your trends. See, what is the cause? What is the cause for increase or decrease in the sales? What is the cause for increase and decrease in the profit margin? What is the cause for increase and decrease in the fever? What is the cause for decreasing or increasing in the earthquake magnitude? So diagnostic analytics will give ability to compare your past and historical data. Based on that, it will try to find the cause. What is the real root cause for the fluctuation in the trends? Okay, that is the reason why I can simply tell that it will answer for the question called why did this happen? Okay, why did this happen? There is some reason that we need to figure out. Okay, now, so a brief definition of your diagnostic analytics. So diagnostic analytics is the process of using data in order to determine the cause of trends. What is the cause for increasing the profit? What is the cause for increasing the sales? What is the cause for decreasing the sales? Okay, what is the cause for increasing your high fever? Fine. So what is the cause? So if we are able to find that cause, it's nothing but your diagnostic analytics. Okay. So it can be viewed as next logical step of your descriptive analytics. So basically, I hope you are able to hear my voice, right, Amit?
Yes, yes, yes.
So basically, as we discussed, you have hierarchy of your analytics. Okay. So this is your hierarchy of your analytics.
Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive.
First you conduct descriptive analytics, then diagnostic analytics, okay, then predictive analytics, then prospective analytics. Okay, so it is the next level of hierarchy of your descriptive analytics. So your diagnostic analytics is the next level of hierarchy of your descriptive analytics. Okay, so now let us take an example of diagnostic analytics. For this, I have taken one case study of a company called HelloFresh. So HelloFresh is nothing but like your FMCG industry. Okay, so basically, what do you call how your FMCG industry is there. For example, Flipkart, sorry, Swiggy, Zomato, and all like that.
Right.
Fresh, what do you call HelloFresh is like that FMCG industry, food and manufacturing industry. They are also working throughout the world. Okay, so basically, 1 minute.
Just
remove this actually, not. So when you click on this HelloFresh, okay, so just I'll go to 1 minute. Hi Amit, hope you are able to hear me, right?
yes, yes, yes. Very nicely.
So basically, so I'll go to the website of your HelloFresh. Okay. So HelloFresh. Okay. So basically they are giving some offer, 10 free meals, free dessert for life. This is basically it's a German based company. Okay. So basically I have taken one HelloFresh as one of the they called successful. Yeah. So this is basically e-commerce company. So where they implemented diagnostic analytics, okay, and successfully helped their increase in the customer satisfaction. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, you can see they are these are different menus they are having. Okay. So a number of things.
Is it German website? Is it a German website?
Yeah, it's a German website basically. Yeah.
But they use German, right? I mean, is it possible for any website to show German in their local market and for overseas in English?
See, basically, it's a German-based company. Okay.
The based company, okay, not Germany.
German-based company. They have a headquarters in Germany. Okay.
Okay, okay. Operations in multiple markets.
Yeah, operation in multiple markets.
Okay, okay, okay.
So where they implemented diagnostic analytics and successfully, they were very successful in increasing the customer satisfaction. So let us
Okay.
discuss how they conducted basically what they did actually. They started collecting different data, from their app. Okay, what kind of data they collected? They collected geographical location, that is whether they are very near to Atlantic Ocean or whether they are they are in America whether they are in Sweden. So basically, they collected different geographical locations data of the customers. They also collected some demographics data. What is their sex, whether it is male or female,
Age
what is
group.
their age group, what is their age group, what is okay, all these comes under demographic data. They also
Okay.
collected what is their type, meal type, whether they are ordering fish products or vegetable products or meat products, what type of meals they are ordering. Also, basically flavors. Okay, basically what type of flavors. Okay, so basically they are preferring, fine, and many more. Like this, they collected huge amount of data of the customers marketing their app. Okay. Now, so later they came to know that they came to know that there is a sudden spike. There is a sudden spike, you know, for the fish-based products. Okay. It has suddenly increased for the fish-based products. Okay, in the region of Atlantic. So there is one region called Atlantic. Okay, so where there is a where there is a sudden hype or hike in the sales of the fish-based products. Now I want to know the reason. What is what made actually basically the sales to get suddenly hike. Okay, so then I started then they started doing diagnostic analytics. What they did basically, they collected all the information. They started comparing your past data and the present data, and they came to know that one main reason is the region, the region in which they are staying. What is the region? It's the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is very near to that region actually. Okay, so
Right.
because of that, those region people, they are very fond of fish-based products, they basically seafoods. That is the first reason they found. Second reason is okay, and they also found what is the second reason? Many women, they are eating the fishes compared to men. What the
Okay.
reason? Because all the women in that region, they attended one conference.
Okay.
What is the conference? What are the health benefits you have if you have more seafoods? You get vitamin B12. Okay,
Omega 3.
things basically, they attended one conference and they started. They are well groomed and they started consuming more seafoods. Okay, this is
Okay.
this is the reason why. Okay, there is a sudden hike in the sales of the particular product called fish-based products. Fish-based.
Okay.
Okay, so then they came to understand. Okay, because there is a sudden hike in the many people in this region, and the two women, they are eating fishes. Why can't we still provide better quality of the fish-based products? So they increase the customer satisfaction, and also they increase the pricing. They decrease the pricing so that they increase the customer satisfaction. So like this, uh, HelloFresh is successful in conducting the diagnostic analytics. Okay, so and improve the customer satisfaction. Okay, now if you see here, there is a basically this is your what do you call complete what do you call you'll be able to get the complete what do you call in this website. There is a blog actually. This is a blog where you'll get complete information on how this HelloFresh has collected the data and how they perform diagnostic analytics in order to improve the customer satisfaction. Just allow me some time. Just I'm not able to copy this title. 1 minute. One minute, Amit. 1 minute.
Sure.
Yeah. So basically, if you get into this website, basically, okay. Now this is the blog which has been written by the HelloFresh company. They are sharing the information like how HelloFresh data-driven customer experience strategy. So basically, here HelloFresh is using data to better serve the customers. Basically, HelloFresh is using the data, whatever they collected. They have started analyzing the data, performing different types of diagnostic analytics, descriptive analytics, and all. Okay. So with the help of the analytics, how they are able to increase the customer satisfaction. Okay.
Okay.
Go through this to get some idea. Right. They have written inside their website. Okay. It is already there in your material. Okay. Just I have put a link. Okay. You can go on. Now, apart from this, I'll give some assignments for you. Basically, how Flipkart uses descriptive and diagnostic analytics. See, it's the open book assignment where you can go to google.com. So you can go to google.com. Okay, just type Google. You can go to google.com. Just type here how Flipkart implements diagnostic analytics. Okay, so there are a lot of articles on this. See how Flipkart leverages data analytics to create all these things, diagnostic performance on how to diagnose performance on Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, automated diagnostic and analytics for buildings. Okay, so Flipkart reviews sentiment analysis using Python. How Flipkart uses data analytics to boost big billion day. See, basically there is a big billion days. Okay,
Yes.
basically, every Saturday, every weekend they have big billion days. Even one of our student is working in Flipkart. He used to tell he'll be very busy in Sundays. It's called big billion days. Okay, how does it sales basically? Okay, so basically there is an article how Flipkart uses this descriptive and diagnostic analytics. Okay, just you can go through these all articles to get more knowledge. That's it. Okay, fine. So see here there are articles. Okay, so all these things you can just go through this. Similarly, how basically Netflix implements this Netflix. See here, analytics at Netflix leverages see here different so Netflix research how Netflix implements predictive algorithms, predictive analytics, which we are going to discuss now. Okay, so just you can go through all these things as an assignment to get more knowledge, right?
Sure.
So basically, even you can describe about how Swiggy uses these kinds of analytics, how Pfizer uses all these kinds of analytics and all.
Okay.
And you can start downloading, Kaggle, right? So we have discussed Kaggle. Downloading all these data sets, raw data sets, Flipkart, Swiggy, Pfizer, and Netflix and all. So that will be useful for us in the future classes. Okay.
Sure, sir.
And you can save in one drive or one folder, whatever you want. Fine, in your system. So now we'll discuss about predictive analytics. See, what is this predictive analytics? See, we have a data called current data and the past data. Okay, see, by comparing the current data and past data, I can say, for example, 2024, this is the current data. The magnitude of earthquake is 7. In 23, the magnitude of earthquake is 6. 22, the magnitude of earthquake is 5. By comparing the past data with the current data, okay, so what I am able to do, I'm able to do some predictive analytics. I'm able to do some predictions. That is based on the data, after comparing the present data and the past data, I can easily predict that in 2025 also the magnitude will be high. It is 8. Yes or no? So this is nothing but predictive analytics. So the name itself, you see here, this guy is doing some predictions. He's using some binoculars, and he's he's also using binoculars, and he's trying to do some predictions. Okay. So in future, basically this ladder represents future. Okay. So in future, what happens? How to prevent the risk, basically. So predictive analytics is nothing but determining future performance based on current and historical data. What is my performance of the company? What is my sales performance? What is my profit performance? What is my revenue performance? Okay. So based on the past and current data, by comparing the current and historical data, I can able to do some predictions. That is nothing but your predictive analytics. In the simplest form, predictive analytics will answer for the question called what will happen in the future. What will happen in the future? Okay. So, so in a simple words, I can say predictive analytics is a form of technology that makes predictions about certain unknown things in the future. Okay. So we don't know what is happening in the future, but it simply makes the predictions. Based on that, I can increase my operational efficiency of the organization, and also I can decrease the risk. For example, you are a customer. For example, you want a loan, right? So you go to the bank. Obviously, they will compare your past data of your loan history and the current data. Suppose if you're not able to pay the loan properly, what happens? Your CIBIL score will be very less and you won't be given a loan. That is, they are reducing the risk of giving the loan. Yes or no? So this is nothing but your predictive analytics. This is nothing but your predictive analytics. Right? So what are the uses of predictive analytics? We have many uses like forecasting. Forecasting, for example, you say weather forecasting or sales forecasting. Suppose if the weather is not good, obviously I'm able to reduce my risk of taking off my aircraft, right? Okay, otherwise I may get accident, right? So weather forecasting or credit,
Right, right.
yeah, as I told you, by banking sector, fraud detection, banking sector, okay, marketing. Basically, I can easily predict which is my best social media channel to invest. Yes or no? Then customer behavior analysis. The customer behavior analysis, you can take your Swiggy, Amazon, Netflix, every day, YouTube. Okay, they are analyzing, they are capturing your behavior. What kinds of films you are seeing in your Netflix? What kinds of what do you call the products you are purchasing in Amazon? Suppose if you are purchasing everyday mobile phones, okay, obviously if you come to know that this guy is very interested in mobile phones, why can't you? Why can't I increase? Why can't I show a very new version of mobile phone with the best product price? Okay, so lot of predictive algorithms will be running behind the Netflix app, your Amazon app, or YouTube app, or a Google app. So which will capture your behavior, and based on that data, it will predict something like you are very interested in mobile phones. Why can't I increase my sales by giving the offer to the mobile phones to Amit? So this is how your predictive algorithms will work in your real time. Basically, as a machine learning algorithm, as a machine learning developer, you will be getting a chance to develop these predictive machine learning models. Okay, there are a lot of machine learning algorithms which is running your Google behind your Google search screen, behind your YouTube, behind your what do you call it, Amazon and Flipkart apps. Okay, who will be developing those algorithms? Machine learning developers. As a data analyst, I'll be having some knowledge on how to develop these predictive models, but I'm not in depth. I don't bother in depth what is happening here. Right? Yes, and I should understand what is predictive analytics. That's it. Right? Now, so a very case study we have taken. How does Netflix use predictive analytics? So basically, you can basically it uses your behavior patterns and viewing patterns. Based on that, it will recommend. It will give recommendations based on what you watched. So here, because you watched horror movies many times, obviously it will come to know that you love horror movies. Why can't I give an offer to the horror movie to Amit to view the very latest horror movie which has been going to be released? Okay,
Right.
so, yeah. So basically, these Netflix app and all, they are very powerful in doing this predictive analytics. Okay, so
Yes.
just you can do a lot of research. You can go to Google. Like I just you can lot of information is there. How Netflix implements predictive analytics. Implements predictive analytics. Okay, so see here, a series of algorithms are applied on this data based on the subscriber viewing preferences. Netflix is able to predict what you are likely to watch next. Okay, it easily can determine based on your watching history. Okay, movie watching history, it will easily predict which movie you will be moving what you watching in the next time. Based on that, it will use the suggestions for you. So some examples of how does Netflix will use big data of these algorithms or positive video ranking, trending, and all these things. It will be done. Fine. Okay. So just you can go through this what do you call how Netflix uses predictive analytics. Okay. So there's a case study actually. So this is the completely the case study. Why investing on data analytics is important. A deeper understanding of customers. Okay. Just you can go through all these blogs.
Is it automatic, sir, or some business analyst will be behind this to do the prediction?
It is automatic. See, all developers will be developing these predictive algorithms, which
Okay.
will be automatically viewing your behavior. Yeah.
Okay.
And however, data analytics or business analytics will be there in order to collect the data and do certain analysis. Yeah, they will
Okay.
also be there. Okay. So this is about your predictive analytics. See, what is the goal of predictive analytics? Why we are doing predictive analytics? In order to improve the decision making of the company. Whether
Mhm.
that is we can make proper decisions, whether we can give loan to the candidate or not. Okay, whether we can travel today in the flight or not. So basically, it will improve the performance of the overall performance of the efficiency of the company and also reduce the risk. Okay, that is the reason why I can say future of data science is nothing but your predictive and prescriptive analytics. Okay, these
Okay.
two are the future of data science. Okay, so
Okay.
predictive analytics is not only used in these industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and retail. It is used in every industries. Okay, whatever you take, aerospace. Okay, it is used. You take what you call it, pharmaceutical. It is used. You take finance, banking, any industry, it will be used. Okay, right? Now, basically, there are different methods of predictive analytics like regression analysis, decision trees, and neural networks. Basically, when you are dealing with machine learning concepts, you'll be getting a chance to understand what is this analysis and all. But as of now, don't worry about these regression analysis, decision trees, and neural networks. Just understand what is predictive analytics. It is more than enough.
Okay.
Now we'll get into something called as prescriptive analytics. See, prescriptive analytics is a subset of predictive analytics, but it won't do any predictions. But rather, it will help you to plan your activities in order to prevent or in order to achieve something. See, for example, it will answer for the question called what should we do next? What should we do next in order to increase your revenue of the company? For example, if you want to increase the revenue of the company by the next year, okay, what measures I need to take from now itself? Okay, and how to reduce my customer churn. For example, Geo, because of Geo competition, most of the clients in the Vodafone, they came down. So what should I do in the Vodafone in order to retain the customers? Okay, so it's nothing but or what should I do for preventing the fraud and increasing my efficiency? So this is nothing but your prescriptive analytics. See, so what should you do next in order to prevent viral fever? You need to take the what you call medicines as per the prescription given by the doctor. Yes or no? Okay, so you'll go to the doctor and you tell that I got a fever, doctor, I got a running nose, I am getting cough, my temperature is very high. That is, you are describing the event called fever. That is nothing but your descriptive analytics. Now, what your doctor will do? Doctor will put a stethoscope and he will analyze your heartbeat. He will also sometimes do the blood test and he will diagnose that there is because of viral infection of mosquito bite, you got this fever. It's a viral fever. And he will this is nothing but your diagnostic analytics. And it also predict that suppose if you are not able to maintain your surroundings very clean and not hygiene, again there is a chances that mosquito bite will come, again you will get a viral fever. This is nothing but your predictive analytics. Now the same doctor will give a prescription for you. Please take these tablets regularly and follow my prescription so that you can avoid getting the viral fever in the next coming days. This is nothing but your prescriptive analytics. A very simple, description for your descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Fine. Okay. So there are a lot of, as predictive analytics, there are a lot of applications for prescriptive analytics also. For example, venture capital investments, whether can I invest in a particular startup or not? Suppose if I invest, I'll get ROI or not. Okay. Then lead scoring. For example, you know what is lead scoring because you are from sales marketing background. You have used CRM, right? For example, you take Lead Square. So in Lead Square, we have one functionality called lead scoring. For example, in your Shobha.com, if one particular customer is hitting always 2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 BHK, obviously its lead score will be very high for 2 BHK. Then directly you can call to that customer. You can pitch more on 2 BHK rather than 3 BHK, right? So this is how prescriptive analytics will also be used to improve the lead scoring, then prevent bank frauds like fraud detection, and also improve your productivity or product management. Right. So these are the different applications of your prescriptive analytics, like your predictive analytics. Right. Now, basically, so this is about your brief discussion of your different types of analytics. Okay, so in the industry, your predictive and prescriptive analytics are the most widely used analytics nowadays. Fine, and basic types of analytics are your descriptive and diagnostic analytics. They are very basic type of analytics. Right. Now, this is about your different types of analytics. Now, basically, who are in demand now? So, for example, if you do which course, you do which course, you will be in demand in the market. See, this is not my words. It is a words by Hal Varian. So Hal Varian is a chief economist at Google. Okay, he's a chief economist at Google. What he's telling, if anybody is having ability to understand the data and to process the data, to extract the data and visualize the data and communicate the data, that guy is having more demand in the industry. Okay. So the person who is able to understand the data properly, who is able to process the data, who is able to extract the data and visualize it and communicate it, that guy, the guy who is having all these skills, okay, that candidate will be in huge demand in the market. Who is that candidate? You are that candidate. That is data scientist. Okay. So data scientist is the guy who will do all these things. He will understand the data, he will process the data, he will extract the data, he will visualize the data and communicate it. Okay. So that is the reason why, as per Hal Varian, who is the chief economist of Google, is telling that data scientists will be huge demand in the market in the upcoming days. Okay. So not only upcoming days, already there is a huge demand. Okay. There are very few people who knows what you call perfect data scientist, and there are a huge number of requirements. Why there is a huge number of requirements? You take not only IT sector, you take automobile, you take agriculture, take n number of industries. Basically, without data, you can't do any work. Without data analytics, you can't do any work. So you need to collect the raw data, clean the data. You need to do certain analytics or predictions, okay, in order to reduce the risk in your operations, in order to improve your organization efficiency. Okay, so then only you will be in the market. Otherwise, you can't be in the market. Fine. So this is the importance of your data science. Now, with all the knowledge of what is data analytics, what is raw data, what is the data science, what is the work of data analyst, how many types of data analytics we have, with all this knowledge, we'll enter into something called as what is data science. What is data? See, please observe the definition of data science. Data science is the process of analyzing or studying of a data to extract meaningful insights of the business. It's nothing but your data analytics definition. It's nothing but your data analytics definition. So data analytics is nothing but your data science. So why I'm calling data analytics as a data science? Data science is also a process of analyzing the data, analyzing the raw data. In order to, why you are analyzing the raw data? In order to extract the meaningful business insights. Okay, fine. So this is nothing but your data science. So this is nothing but your, this circle is nothing but your data science life cycle. Okay. So we have different stages in your data science. First stage, second stage, and all. So that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. This is nothing but your data science life cycle, where we'll be discussing these concepts in your data science project management. How a data scientist will perform his day-to-day activities in his organization. Okay. All these things we'll be discussing in the next class. Okay. Fine. So just today just we want to I want to take you a bit interactive session. For example, okay. Okay, so what I'll do, just I'll go to our tool basically. Okay.
Okay.
So don't worry about this tool. It's a Power BI. Okay. I want to show something very what you call interesting today, because we dealt with some theoretical concepts. Let us do with some practical concepts also today.
Okay.
Don't worry about this tool again. Okay. So I'm importing the data from the Excel file, which is stored in your local system as usual. Okay. So let me import the Superstore data. So once the loaded data, assume that the cleaning is been done, and we start visualizing the data to get the proper business insights. So I'm telling you what are these proper business insights that I'm going to discuss practically. Okay, so the data has been loaded. So let me visualize the sales based on the order date. So I'll take your sales, drag and drop. Okay, then order date, drag and drop. Okay, now see here, this is my sales over different periods of years. Okay, hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, yes, yes.
So in 2020, this is the sales 1.5 million. In 2011, there is a very slight increase in sales. In 2012, there is huge increase in sales and drastic increase in sales in 2013. That
Yes.
is, this is nothing but business insight. What is the business insight? Every year the sales is going on increasing. This is nothing but your descriptive analytics.
Okay.
I'm not able to understand. I'm not bothering why the sales is increasing. Now I'll conduct one kind of diagnostic analytics. What I want to do, I want to understand why in 2030s there is a sudden increase in sales. I want to diagnose it. So what I'll do, I'll select only 2013, just right click, okay, click on analyze, click on explain the increase. I want to
Okay.
I want to make it to explain what is the cause or reason for increase in sales in 2013. Just click on this explain the increase. Automatically, it will perform diagnostic analytics for you. It will show you the result. What is the reason for increase in the sales? There are many reasons for increase in the sales. How much the sales has been increased? 21.82 percentage the sales has been increased. And these are the many reasons for the sales has been increased. Okay, what is the first reason? Let us understand. See, the first reason is because there is a drastical increase in the products. For example, these products, like
Inventory was increased.
yeah.
Inventory was more
So
choice.
yeah, because of the increase in these products sales, that is the reason why in 2013 there is an increase in sales. And because of these customers has did more sales, three customers like Alcy and Andrew and Bob. Because of these guys, there is an increase in sales. And based on the product category, there is a huge increase in sales for the technology-based products. Because of that, the sales has been increased in 2013. And because of subcategory, because there is a huge increase in telephone-based products and other machines-based products, because of that, the sales has been increased. And because of your product container, okay, some product containers like small box, jumbo, large box, sales has been increased. Because of that, the sales has been increased in 2013. And based on the state and province, see, in Texas, there is a drastical increase, in sales. The people who are staying in Texas, they have did a wonderful sales this year. That is the reason why, okay, and even in New York and other Colombia and all, that is the reason why there is a drastical increase in sales in 2013. Like this, you can able to get the proper justification why the sales has been in 2013. This,
So all this data is available in the Excel sheet, right?
yeah, it is available in Excel sheet.
Okay, then only speaking.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll do all these things in future classes.
Okay.
Just try to understand that. Okay. So basically here what I'm doing, I'm trying to diagnose the reason why the sales has been increased. Why the sales has been increased? Why the sales has been increased? Because of this, the sales has been increased. Okay. Assume that this is the sales of your HelloFresh. Okay. So in your resume, tell that or assume that the sales of your web converts. Okay. You can easily write this is I found out the reason. I performed diagnostic analytics and I came and I suggested, okay, to web converts, okay, because of this, what do you call it? Because of this reason, your sales has been increased. And also I generated a report or dashboard for them so that, they'll be focusing more on these regions, Texas, okay, still they will provide better customer satisfaction and increase their sales more. This is how you can convert into case studies, real-time case studies, put it to your CV and go to the market, easily you'll get a job. Right? Everyone will study this, but even in many institutions, many organizations, they won't practically correlate these things. So here, what I'm doing, basically, I'm trying to practically explain you what is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics simply it will tell that the sales is increasing. That's it, but it won't tell you why the sales is increasing. Okay, who will do that diagnostic analytics? What I did, I started analyzing. When I started analyzing in deeper, I came to know that all these are the reasons for increasing the sales in 2013. Because of this, there is an increase in sales. Okay, so and you can always what you call click here plus. It will go to the background. It will go and hide in the background. Okay, so here also you can take plus so that you can show your manager the report. Okay, you can minimize this. Okay, see here, you can 1 minute. Can minimize this. Let me minimize all these things window. Yeah. So always you can minimize this and you can put here the background. Okay. And you can tell the manager, these are the reasons, because of this reason, there is a drastical increase in 2013 sales. See here 2013 sales. This is the reason. Okay. So, or you can do like this here 2013. Why there is an increase? There is an increase in the what you call product name or product. Like this, we have many reasons for the increase in 2013. Now, basically, I want to drill down. See, basically, you are able to see two arrows right here. Okay, just click on this. Okay, so you will drill down to the quarter. Basically, in every year you have the quarter. Okay,
Okay.
so 4 quarters. Okay, now see here. So in the fourth quarter of 2011, there is a drastical increase in sales.
Mhm.
Or you say in the fourth quarter of 2012, there is a drastical increase in sales. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see here, there is a drastical increase in sales in the fourth quarter of 2012. But in the first quarter of 2013, the sales has came down drastically. Now you want to, this is nothing but descriptive analytics. Now I want to conduct diagnostic analytics. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select, I want to know the reason why sales has came down in quarter 1 of 2013. I'll select only that. Okay, just click on right click, just click on analyze, click on explain the decrease. I want to explain you what is the reason for decrease in sales. Just click on this. Automatically it will tell that there is a 47% of decline in the sales, and these are the many reasons. Okay, because of a product subcategory, all these are not performing well. These tables are not performing, these machines are not, bookcases are not performing, these are not properly sold. That is the reason why there is a decline in the first quarter of the sales. Okay, see here, because of all these reasons, okay, there is a decline in the first quarter of sales based on the region. Okay, there is a huge decline in the western region. Because of that, there is a dip in the sales in the first quarter of 2013. Like this, you can create your visualization and show to your CEO. Obviously, he will give an increment for you. Okay, now how much time you are doing, how much time you are taking to analyze why there is a decrease in sales, why there is an increase in sales. You are taking fraction of times. Yes or no? Okay, how
Yes.
it is possible with the help of your AI? This is nothing but when you right click and click on analyze, this is nothing but artificial intelligence in Power BI. Okay, implementing artificial intelligence in Power BI. That is nothing but your AI enabled data analytics. Nowadays, old type of data analytics is gone. Now, if you want to work in the industry, 100% you should know all these technologies, which is nothing but your AI enabled data analytics. Without
Okay.
AI, the same thing. If your manager is asking you, can you give me the reason why the sales in the first quarter of 2013 year has been drastically fall down? Can you give me the reason? You would have
Okay.
taken huge days, 3 or 4 days to
Uh-huh.
data, to form the pivot tables, to draw the graphics, to compare the graphics. Okay,
Mhm.
so to find the lookup tables, everything, it will take at least minimum 3 days or 4 days of time. Where with the help of your AI, by using this AI feature, I'm able to conduct the same thing within fraction of seconds. Fraction of seconds. So this
Okay.
is
Just one question is like, for example, in Chat GPT is there.
Mhm,
If my boss asks me to draft an email to some CEO of some company,
mhm, mhm.
okay, email.
Yeah,
So I go to Chat GPT and I write the what template, like what all content I want in the email.
yeah. See, that's what.
Okay, that I get from Chat GPT, but it sounds very robotic. So for that, some other websites are there which make it more like a humanoid. So is
Yeah,
it
yeah.
something with this also? Like in this business AI, like the analysis,
Yeah,
what we're getting automated is more
same
of
like this.
robotic type.
Yes, same like this only. Only see, only that in ChatGPT you are giving prompts. Okay. Say,
Uh,
for example, you want to write a program to add two numbers. Then what you do, you will type, right? You will give some instructions like, hi ChatGPT, please write a program to add two numbers. Okay, it will understand your prompt. Then based on that, it will behave. Suppose when you are prompting the ChatGPT, if you don't know how to prompt ChatGPT, it will make you wrong results also for you. Okay. So it is a mission. After all, it is a mission. Similarly, here also, this is nothing but your ChatGPT only. Okay, but inbuilt ChatGPT. There are the ChatGPT is nothing but generative AI. Basically, it's an AI generator. We call it a AI generator. It's a component of Gen AI. Okay, so these AI generators will be inbuilt in your Power BI. Okay, so what happens? When you use this, automatically it will analyze the data and it will give the suggestions for you. Okay,
hmm.
yeah. So similarly, there are a number of what you call AI generators. For example, you have something called as DAX functions. You can write formulas, expressions with the help of your ChatGPT. See, for example, I'll open your ChatGPT. Okay. See, for example, let me open your ChatGPT. Even we do, when I'm teaching Power BI classes, I use ChatGPT sometimes. Okay. This is my ChatGPT. Okay. So basically, I will ask ChatGPT, hi, can you write DAX expression to calculate the sum of sales in my orders table. Okay, so hit enter. Sure, assuming we have the orders table, so it itself it is basically it is doing the things. So this is nothing but exact what you call DAX expression. Okay,
Okay.
expression or a formula in order to calculate the sum of sales. See here, sales amount is the column which is present in the orders table, and it is using function called sum. So it is calculating the sum of sales and it is returning the value to the total sales. So just you can copy that code and directly you can go to your Microsoft Power BI. Okay, you have something called as data here. Just what you do, just go to here, click on orders. So you can create one new measure. Click on new measure. Okay, measure is nothing but one value. So see here, it is asking some calculation. Just delete this, just paste here. That's it. Okay, so obviously, you'll get what do you call, no need to write coding basically. Directly you can cut and paste here. So similarly here, even I'll show you one. See here, you are able to see the DAX query, right? So click on this. Okay, you are able to see something called as DAX query here. Okay, see here, this is nothing but, so when you type something, okay, so let me,
What is this DAX query?
these are very high-end concepts of your Power BI, don't worry. So, okay, so that I'll be explaining you once I start Power BI. So this is nothing but your Copilot. So when you click on this, see here, you can easily chat something, what do you call it, write DAX expression for sum of sales. So this is nothing but your ChatGPT, right? It's nothing but your ChatGPT. Generally, we call it the generative AI. So we call here it's a Copilot basically. Okay. However, it is not available here in my version. When you hit enter, it will write by its own basically. So like this, these are nothing but AI capabilities that will be inbuilt. Okay, inbuilt. Okay. So in your Power BI tool. Okay. See here Copilot preview. Okay, Copilot preview. So basically, this Copilot is inbuilt in your Power BI. Similarly, your what do you call it? For example, I'll take Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I'll take your Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook also you have something called as ChatGPT. Okay, let it connect. So like that, these are nothing but AI capabilities of your tools. So nowadays, most of the AI is inbuilt in your tools. Where as a data analyst or a data scientist, you leverage the usage of AI in order to perform your work still better compared to the previous years, right? The performance of your data science, say the performance of the data analyst or the data scientist will be improved, drastically compared to the what you call previous years, yeah, because of AI. So this is nothing about your chat GPT. You can ask, hi, can you write, okay, program to multiply two numbers. Even I'm not bothering about my spelling mistakes. Okay, is able to understand what I'm seeing here. Even there is a lot of, hi, can you write program? The program name is wrong. Even numbers, the name is wrong, but it is able to understand what I'm telling. Certainly, here is a Python program to multiply two numbers. This is nothing but your generative AI or AI generator or ChatGPT, okay, which is inbuilt as Anaconda assistance in your Jupyter notebook. Basically, it is a UI interface of your Python programming. Similarly, many functions, AI functions would have been incorporated in your AI tools like this, whatever we have discussed. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So hope you understood very practically today what is descriptive analytics, what is diagnostic analytics. See, predictive analytics will fall some predictive and prescriptive analytics. Here you can't do. Basically, it falls something under machine learning. Okay.
Okay.
So machine learning, we develop a machine learning model. We train them using.
This is Power BI, right?
This is Power BI. This is
Yeah,
Power
that
BI.
is machine learning. Future,
Yeah.
like futuristic thing. I mean,
Yeah.
the prescriptive will be under the machine learning.
Machine learning part. Yeah, as a data analyst, you are least bothered about machine learning. But however, we'll be training you what is machine learning, what is data, what is deep learning, and all in
Okay.
nutshell. Okay, because you are least bothered about that. Okay, so in order to develop machine learning algorithms, again, it will take 3 months of time, training
Okay.
period.
Okay.
That is your second semester of the program. But I sincerely suggest you not to go to that because there is a lot of coding involved in that, and that is not your cup of coffee.
You'll give a small touch on this.
Yes, we'll give that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
As a
Okay.
data analyst, you must know what is machine learning, what is deep learning, NLP, all these things.
Have an introduction with the topic.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine, Amit. So this is for the today's class. Please revise the things again. Hope you are getting the recorded right from Samir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was there, but I was not able to in which folder it is there.
1 minute, let me check. So you are having your own folder. You are able to see Amit Singh folder here in your drive.
Yes.
Double click. This is your recording.
Wait, let me.
Even you can download this. You can download this video.
I have to go to my drive, right?
Yeah, my drive, and you will be able to find Amit Singh.
Drive folder. Amit Singh is not there. It's a Ruthvik 10 p.m. Tuesday batch.
That is there. 1 minute.
Under this backup classes, data cleaning, notes, Power BI, all this.
Now check once. I shared you.
Now here this Amit is not there.
Now check. Refresh. You will get.
Class Power BI live classes have to go there.
No. Amit Singh folder is there. Now
Okay.
just now shared you. Just now
So
I shared
refresh.
you.
I'll refresh it. Okay. Oh, is it the same folder where I have this other folder like backup classes, data
No.
cleaning, or transfer?
Come out of that. Come out of that. Like
Okay.
go to your My Drive again. Start from
my drive. Yes. Here.
Amit Singh.
No, I can't see Amit Singh here.
You got?
I have my personal one.
Yeah. So just what I do, just check your chat window. I'm sharing the link. Check your chat window.
Okay. Oh, WhatsApp, right?
Chat window.
In the WhatsApp.
No. In a Zoom itself.
Zoom
Zoom
meeting.
itself, we have chat option.
Okay.
Chat.
Where is chat?
So basically, you where you mute or unmute yourself now. In that there you have chat next to participants.
Participants. Yes.
Click on that. I already shared you the link. Just click on that link. It will take you to that Amit Singh folder.
Acha.
Let's save that link now. Somewhere you save the link so that all the recordings will be uploaded there.
Oh, I don't have to go to my drive. I have to go for shared with me.
Yeah.
Under that it is.
Yeah. Shared with me. Yes. All right.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Fine, Amit. Thank you so much.
Fine. See you tomorrow.
Okay. So actually tomorrow you'll be having class on Monday again.
Okay.
So Saturday, Sundays, there are no classes on weekends.
Okay, fine.
So you can practice the things. I can try to do some assignments, whatever I given.
Done.
Try to explore more by yourself. Okay.
Fine.
Always you should, if I spend 1 hour, you should spend 2 hours. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so
done.
that you will be in the market very fast.
Okay, sure.
Fine.
Okay,
We'll
thank
see
you.
on Monday, same timings. Chalo.
Okay, done.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye. Happy weekend. Bye.
Yeah, same to you. Thank you.